Hi everyone! Today's video is a quick rundown of the settings page. You can think of it as being split into 5 sections: Profile, Payment Method, Billing and Subscriptions, SMS Credits, and Extras. For now, we are just going to focus on the first 3. Most of this is self-explanatory, but let's go through it. The Profile section contains all your personal details related to the account. It's always important to make sure everything is up to date. Off to the side, you can update your account information, including your username. Be sure to have access to your previous email address when changing it. If you don't, please contact us. At the bottom, you can also add a billing address for your invoices if it's different from your username. Finally, there's a link to change your password. The Payment Method section shows your account credits and the payment method you use. Off to the side, you can view and download past invoices if needed and update payment details. The Billing and Subscriptions section provides details about your plan, including how much is due, when it's due, and what you're using. There's a subsection for mobile tracking licenses as well as hardware trackers. Off to the side, you have links to change your subscription, manage your mobile licenses, and activate or deactivate a tracker. If you want to know more about adding vehicles, please watch that video. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.